Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're looking for the best 3D printer to bring your ideas to life, whether it's for miniatures, prototypes, home projects, or multicolor creations, you've come to the right place. In this video, we're counting down the top 5 best 3D printers on AliExpress in 2026. From beginner-friendly models to high-speed machines with advanced features, there's something here for every maker and every budget. Check out the links in the description for the latest prices and deals. Let's get started. Number 1. Pre-sale Anycubic Photon Mono 4 AE version LCD 3D printer. The Anycubic Photon Mono 4 AE version LCD 3D printer is a powerful resin printer built for users who want high-detail printing and fast performance. It comes with a 7-inch 10K high-definition screen, which helps deliver sharp and precise prints with excellent surface detail. With a build volume of 153 by 87 by 165 millimeters, this printer is a great choice for miniatures, jewelry models, dental parts, and other detailed projects. Its high-speed printing capability makes it even more appealing for creators who want quality and efficiency in one machine. Pros: 7-inch 10K high-definition screen, high-speed 3D printing, excellent print detail and precision, compact build volume for detailed models, great for miniatures and resin projects. Strong value for advanced users. Number 2. EasyThreed 3D printer. The EasyThreed 3D printer is an entry-level machine designed for beginners who want a simple and affordable way to start 3D printing. It's compatible with PLA and TPU 1.75mm filament, giving users flexibility for different types of prints. The included power adapter makes setup easier, and its beginner-friendly design is ideal for home use, learning, and small creative projects. If you're new to 3D printing and want something easy to use, this is a solid starting point. Pros: entry-level and beginner-friendly, compatible with PLA and TPU filament, supports 1.75mm filament, includes power adapter, easy setup and operation, great for learning 3D printing, affordable option for new users. Number 3. Flashforge Adventurer 5M Pro 3D printer. The Flashforge Adventurer 5M Pro is a high-speed 3D printer built for users who want convenience, reliability, and smart features. It includes full auto leveling, which helps make setup faster and easier, while the direct extruder supports smoother and more consistent filament feeding. The built-in camera allows you to monitor your prints, and the automatic shutdown feature adds extra convenience. This printer is a great option for makers who want a modern, user-friendly machine with strong performance. Pros: high-speed printing, full auto leveling, direct extruder system, built-in camera for monitoring, automatic shutdown feature, easy to use and efficient, great for home and workshop use. Number 4. Creality K2 Combo 3D printer. The Creality K2 Combo is a multicolor printing bundle designed for creators who want more flexibility and creativity in their projects. It supports CFS and comes bundled with Antinsky HSPLA filament, making it ready for colorful and detailed prints. This printer is a strong choice for users who want to explore multi-material or multicolor printing while enjoying the reliability Creality is known for. It's a great option for hobbyists, designers, and makers who want to take their prints to the next level. Pros: multicolor printing support, includes printing bundle with filament, supports CFS, great for creative projects, reliable Creality performance, ideal for hobbyists and makers, strong value for multicolor printing. Number 5. Multicolor Anycubic Kobra S1 Max Combo. The Anycubic Kobra S1 Max Combo is a high-performance multicolor 3D printer built for users who want speed, precision, and a large build area. It features a hardened steel nozzle for durability, high-precision printing, and an impressive maximum speed of 600 millimeters per second. With a build volume of 350 by 350 by 350 millimeters, it gives you plenty of space for larger models and ambitious projects. This printer is an excellent choice for advanced users who want fast, reliable, and colorful 3D printing. Pros: multicolor printing support, hardened steel nozzle, high-precision printing, maximum speed up to 600 millimeters per second, large 350 by 350 by 350 millimeter build volume, great for bigger projects, excellent for advanced users. These are our picks for the top 5 best 3D printers on AliExpress in 2026. Whether you're looking for a detailed resin printer, a beginner-friendly starter model, a high-speed machine with smart features, or a multicolor printer for creative projects, each of these options offers excellent value and performance. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss our latest tech reviews and buying guides. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.